The guard on the nation's highest court as Justice Stephen Breyer set to retire in just a few hours from now. New Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson set to take his spot, becoming the first black woman on the Supreme Court. First, though, the justices still have to take care of some business with two cases left on the docket to rule on. Suzanne Bruner is with us in studio now. What are those cases? Right out of Texas.
Yeah, Mark, good morning. So before summer recess begins, the Supreme Court will release two final opinions today. Taking a look at what those are. The justices will rule on the Environmental Protection Agency's authority to regulate power plant emissions. Another one that we're keeping a close eye on is Biden versus Texas. The court will decide whether or not the Biden administration could end the Trump-era policy called Remain in Mexico. That requires asylum seekers arriving at the southern border to wait in Mexico pending an immigration court decision. Today also marks the end of an era. Associate Justice Stephen Breyer will hang up his robe and officially step down from the Supreme Court after nearly 3 decades. He will swear in his replacement, Ketanji Brown Jackson, at 11. This change is not expected to shift the ideological balance of the conservative majority court, but it is historic. Jackson will be the first black woman to serve as a Supreme Court justice. All this comes nearly a week since the High Court overturned Roe v. Wade, and at least 13 states enforced trigger laws to seize nearly all abortion services. Abortion rights advocates have been protesting as well as filing lawsuits. Now, once the court's term ends today, we should learn more about some of the cases they plan to take up once they return in the fall. Taking a look at what those current petitions are, one of them challenges to the federal health care worker vaccine mandate. Another involves a case about flight attendants, which could affect air travel and ticket prices. We'll keep you updated on what happens with that. Guys, back to you.
All right, looking forward to it. New this morning after hours.